Baka pagka, yung ginawa ko ng mata ko, ba't ako nakaupo?
Bringas from outside. Oh, just as time expired.
Yep, RB Bringas.
The Red Warriors right now sa kanilang opensa. Sumang will have to DIY, and there he goes. First basket for Roy Sumang.
He's really exceptional for the UE Red Warriors. He saw the defense popping up, open for him, and that's why he took it strong for
It's just a little bit. Garcia faking. Garcia from the elbow. Yes.
Yep. Papitik-pitik yung RR na yun. We've heard of
that Anthony Sr., as long as he manages his fouls and his temper, Anthony Jr. will be okay, according to the loving father. Eric?
Thank you. Beautiful shot so far. Dito sa ating first quarter. Romeo with a plethora of moves.
Wow.
Gets away and scores again.
Well, the help wasn't there. And again, a lane incursion para kay Terence Romeo. So, lacking yung depensa ng UE sa play na yan.
Very early, the shot clock ng UE. Sumang for three. Yes!
Wow, he's really got the confidence, partner.
In the game, leading all scorers or leading all players. Belleza, very hesitant. Pumasok. Here's Javier in the middle.
Oh.
Nice play by the big man.
Yep, good play. They're very, very confident, the big man. That's why UE has the lead at this juncture.
The biggest lead ng UE at 3 points. Bola nakuha ni Belleza. Belleza on the run. Belleza.
Oh.
Yes.
Another anti-play in transition. UE doing splendidly well here in the first few minutes of the first quarter, taking the lead. 13. We're not seeing good plays from FEU lately.
Oh, wow. Olayon with a difficult shot.
And this is his team now.
Dolomia, nowhere to go. Oh, but off the glass. Shrugging off.
Kita yung youthfulness ng team ni Coach Jericho Dinigo. Had the ball, iikot yung bola, and a 2-point from RR Pugoy. Balikin ang masakit. They could have held on to the ball and then call the play para sa UE Red Warriors.
It's true. You forced yung mga shots na
Sumang, who just came back to the floor.
and steal by Pogoy here. Pero maganda ang depensa ng UE, but not good enough sa RR Garcia. And now, balik ang kalamangan sa FEU in the blink of an eye.
Yep, 5 straight points to start the second period. The lead, Mike Dolomia, who's their hottest player here in the second period.
Pero ngayon, Garcia spots up right in front of Sumang. Good screen para malibre ito si Garcia, but naiwanan underwear brand. Ito yung mga naglalaro para sa UNFEU right now. Hargrove dives down the middle and lays it in.
Now, in and out game of FEU, we're looking at una tira from the perimeter from RR and Hargrove driving inside.
Galanza, a little hesitant to go inside, pulls up.
Oh,
Gets the lucky bounce. Puts it out to Belleza. Goes right. Belleza. Or Belleza. Wala. Air ball.
yes.
Nice recovery from Chris Javier. Out alone with prime rebate. Garcia has 9 points, scoring 7 dito sa ating second quarter. Oh, rebound and one back all in one. RR picked up by Santos. 10 to shoot. Oh, nice bounce pass. Bagsak si Belleza and a basket for Hargrove and a foul as well.
And they're finding Hargrove inside for the FEU Tamaraws. Not looking at the perimeter shots. RR doing the great pass there.
Owishi, oh wow, moment of the game. Ito yung corner spot up jumper.
Good shot.
It's good.
Hernandez putting in the...
Dolomia, open look, air ball. Oh, Escoto found the ball, somehow found a way into his hand.
And then UE may have a lot of opportunities, but they're more efficient itong FEU Tamaraws. Ooh!
Met at the top and rejected by Senchu. Itong si Hernandez. 6-point lead. 6-point lead para sa FEU, their biggest lead of the game. Oh! Is that gonna count? Because that was a big three. Full court press. Garcia spots up. Three is good!
What a quarter here for RR Garcia.
Nothing short of amazing para kay RR Garcia. Has 12 points, 10 coming in the second quarter. Looking for an assist para kay to Hargrove. Bunch of nice saves by FEU here.
To get it back.
Quick hustle by FEU to start on the third quarter.
Ooh! Garcia's just on fire, partner.
Now that's what's painful, you know. You tried your best to defend. You gave them several chances, and they end up with Sumang fakes. Sumang pulls up for three. Olayon.
Oh, good gimme there for Olayon. Isa lang para sa UE Red
Tagal kayo at matagal mag-init, sa depensa kayo magpapawis. Eric and Randy,
Thank you, Judy, for that courtside update from Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. Life just got better, and ito, pa isa-isa nga lang ang sinasabi doon. Sabi mo, Professor, side step move, pero wala. And
Oh, it's
the
gone.
run, Hargrove is
It's
fouled,
gone.
and it counts. What a bad decision.
3-on-1. Kinauli Olayon. He really wouldn't be able to stop that Hargrove transition basket.
This is a let-go. Should have been a let-go play para kay Olayon, pero he hung on to, was cut to just 11 by UE. Sumido.
Oh,
Sumido knocks. Halfway to go. Dito sa ating third quarter. No-look pass.
yep.
Bring us coming from Garcia.
Again, it's Garcia.
Sumido. Nice cut.
Yes,
Hernandez, the basket.
wow. That was a really nice play.
Ang wingman mo sila Hernandez will cut. It will be a difficult time para sa bigs ng FEU, but bring us back-to-back
Wow.
baskets. Good thing. Got the foul and then the basket.
The strength of RB Bringas. Foul to boot.
And Boboy saw the production ng bench of both teams. KFC So Good Stance, KFC Cheese Pop Burger, KFC So Good.
Far in between the mga puntos niyan coming from the Red Warriors.
Well, Roy Sumang teams, Roy Sumang. Sumido.
Yes, it's there. It's there in their game. They just have to be consistent about it. And this is the best shot really of UE right here in the third quarter. 57-42. They got him in some.
Ito, UE, make that FEU, barely getting it away, getting it cross court. Sumang steals it, and Sumang lays it in.
The hard work paying off.
Romeo to bring us.
Oh,
Yes.
the weight of a big guy.
Belleza finds an opening, kicks it out to Javier. Great swing to Galanza for an open three.
Yes.
Yes!
That's what we're talking about. Being patient, looking for the best shot possible.
Easy defensive boards by UE. Nice run by Javier to the baseline. Javier, easy
Oh,
basket.
yes.
Yes.
Again, playing to the hilt.
FEU, a lot of that shot clock shaved off from press ng UE.
Oh.
But Carl Cruz calm and collected in the corner.
Pero ngayon, ano?
Romeo, open three. Yes. What a that, but Hargrove strong to the loose ball. Garcia, easy layup.
Timeout is in the on schedule here for the UE Red Warriors.
4:34 remaining in the fourth quarter. Bogoy pulls up for three.
Oh,
that's a long two.
Even RR Pogoy from Talisa inserted in the lineup of Coach Bert Flores, trying in a combination and a third point guard for the Tamaraws.
Romeo from 15. Yes.
God, he's just good. He's just
What
good.
can you say?
Whew.
Sumido off the glass and in.
Yep.
Sumido starting to get hot. Terence Romeo maybe for good as the Eagle checks in for FEU and the putback right there.
Said by UE in the first half, and the bigger guys to be involved.
Last 2 minutes from PS Bank. You just saw, by the way, yung basket. Second basket to Mendoza on a McDonald's instant replay. Overwhelm your senses with the new McDonald's Big and Tasty.
A painful road to recovery for the UE Red Warriors
Sumang, difficult shot.
for his first 2 points in the fourth quarter.
14 points para kay Sumang. Jose makes his way inside, short.
Very throw the ball away for the Red Warriors. Just a struggling defensively here for the Red Warriors. They've given up 88 points already. A test of strength here for the Tamaraws and for UE, another part of the learning curve.
Oh, Mendoza has been the recipient of many 3-on-2 break in favor of UE dito. Oh, smart veteran move by the very young. Perfect in the very young season of the UAAP with an overwhelming win. As Sumido and Romeo get a little tangled up at the end of the game. 92-66 is the final score. FEU